Welcome back, Team Favors, back again on another video. As y'all can see by the title of this video, I got a new computer. Yeah, so the Macbook Air 2018, I think, or 19, I forgot, to be honest. It's right here. Box is way too big, y'all, if I'm honest. Like, when I picked this up, like a big box, I thought it was gonna be like heavy, even though I know what's in it. And it was just like super light. I'm like, dang, was this box even really necessary? But I never really did an unboxing video. I actually did do an unboxing video for this crap. Well, y'all can't see what it is, but the green screen that I'm using, in case y'all didn't know. I don't know what the background is right now. I kind of just make it up as I edit. But whatever the background is, I'm probably not actually there, in case y'all didn't know. Big surprise. Shocker. I know. But, yeah, so I did an unboxing video when I got all these lights and the green screen and all this setup, but I really just didn't like how I did the video, so I never ended up posting it. There's a couple videos that I've made on YouTube that I just never post. That might be a video in itself, just talking about that. But this is like gonna be my first unboxing video, if it even posts. Maybe I'll do the same thing and not want to post this, but let's just get right to opening this, because I don't know how these go. I never even watched the unboxing video, if I'm honest. Well, I think I have, but it was probably just of a DVD, a wrestling DVD or something like that. The reason why I decided to get this computer is because y'all know me. If y'all watch my videos, I use a MacBook Pro 2010 or 8 or something like that. And like, it's really old, so like it renders really slow. Basically on Final Cut, it's just really slow, and it always run out of space. I always have to delete stuff. It's because I bought it used. I bought the computer used. So I mean, I don't know. I would expect it to go slow. I would expect all that to happen eventually. And yeah, it did. So at this point, I was like, you know what? I just gotta buy one new. I can't buy this used. I was tempted to buy it used though, because it was only like, it was like $400 less used. But I decided to get it brand new. Yeah. Let's get right to opening this crap. So it's the first thing in there. I don't know how these videos go. Oh, okay. Great. Another box. Oh, I might need some scissors. I thought I was gonna be good, but I'm gonna need some scissors. Oh, this must be why it didn't come to my Amazon. In case y'all didn't know, I work at Amazon, but it didn't come to me. And I'm assuming it's because of that label. We don't accept stuff with that label at my Amazon. Yeah, I definitely need a knife. All right, y'all, I got it open. I had to use my pen. It's kind of way harder than it should have been. And of course, opening up to another box. But this is the actual box, so thank God I got it out. Look at this crowd. Oh, there it is. I hope this has the Oh, that really messed up my green screen doing that. Anyway, I hope this got the I don't know if that actually happened, but when I held this up, the screen got really dark. I guess it was focusing on something else, or maybe it was a reflection or something. But I hope this got the little part for me to put my SD card in, because if it don't, then this is going to be a lot of trouble. But yeah, so here's the actual package. I'm going to need my handy dandy pen again, because this crap. Why didn't I bring a knife for an unboxing video? I'm an idiot. So let's see, here we go. That crap off. There we go. Here we go. The MacBook Air. Okay. Okay, thank God. It do have the little part for me to... Oh my God, this is so thin. This is the same size as my MacBook Pro, but it's just super thin. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, the charger is even small. Look at this crap. I mean, y'all probably just can't tell how small it is, but yeah, the charger is smaller. This is so thin, but it's the same size as my MacBook Pro. So, and it does have the little spot for my what's that thing called? My SD card. So that's good. I need to order a case though. I really do. Well, you know what? I did want the gold one, and I thought I ordered the gold one, but honestly, I put a case on this anyway. Ain't that weird? Because we put cases on our phones too. I mean, like, I'm assuming people do. I do. Definitely. Oh my god, this is so thin, y'all. Oh my god, it's so nice. Sorry if my reaction is dry, y'all. I just got off work. But it just smells new. So, yeah. I wonder will it turn on? Where's the on button? Oh. Or does it need to be plugged in? Oh, it turned on. Okay. Oh, that means I'm gonna have to set everything up. I don't want to do that. Don't want to do that right now. So, you know what? I think that's the end of this video. Unboxing. Is that how you do them? I'm not sure. If I'm supposed to do more stuff, I'm sorry, y'all. I just don't know. So, yeah. So now I have a Chromebook. I have a Windows computer, PC, whatever. I don't know. I have a MacBook Pro, and I have a MacBook Air 2018 or I don't know what year this is, but my MacBook Pro was like a 2008 or 10 or something like that, 12 maybe, I don't know. It might be 15. I'm saying all these late years. It might be 2015. It's just old. Either way, I know it's old and it runs slow. So I got a brand new computer. Can't wait to use it, y'all. This channel's gonna be so different now because I can actually do some stuff that I couldn't do. Like I couldn't do like motion graphics, or does that make sense? Motion transitions or 3D transitions and all that stuff because my computer just did not take that, but this does. So y'all will be seeing all that soon, y'all. But until next time, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share this video on all forms of social media. If you are new
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Huh? Okay, I don't know what she's talking about. Yeah, I didn't have to set up my MacBook Pro because I told y'all it was used. But anyway, I sometimes forget that my MacBook Pro is actually silver because it's been red. It has a red case. It's been red for the longest. Just look at all my videos. If it was silver, you might have to go back to one of my first videos. But y'all, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share this video on all forms of social media. If you're new to this channel, be sure to check out some old videos. I have like so many playlists. If you're new, you will find another.
macOS contains a screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
I keep forgetting where I am because of her. But anyway, where was I? I don't know. I have so many playlists on this channel. Trust me, there's something for everybody on this channel. Just look through the playlist. I'm sure you'll find at least one other video that you like. Check out the Patreon link in the info box down below if you're feeling extra generous. And until next time, y'all, catch you later.